System for connecting the entity. Business applications or enterprise applications. Business application systems that cross functional boundaries concentrate on carrying out business processes throughout the corporate organization, including all levels of management. Business applications has four major types. These are enterprise systems, CRM system, knowledge management system, and supply chain systems, or what we so-called supply chain management system. Enterprise application, each of these enterprise applications in a related set of functions and business processes to enhance the performance of the organization as a whole. Example of enterprise application as illustrated in the diagram, which the enterprise application integrates the related set of functions, which are the functional areas and business processes. ERP. Enterprise systems integrate the key business processes of an entire firm to a single software system that enables information to flow seamlessly throughout the organization. These systems focus primarily on internal processes, but may include the transaction with customers and vendors. The illustration is a sample of enterprise system, which integrate the key businesses or business processes into a single software system and included the transactions of the customers and vendors. Supply chain management systems help businesses manage relationships with their suppliers. These systems provide information to help suppliers, purchasing firms, distributors, and logistics companies share information about orders, productions, inventory levels, and delivery of products and services so that they can source, produce, and deliver goods and services efficiently. The illustration is an example of supply chain management system, which provide information for customers, distributors, and logistic companies. Customer relationship management, or CRM. It is used by businesses to manage their interaction with clients in order to maximize income, customer happiness, and customer retention. Knowledge management system, or KMS. A system that gather all pertinent knowledge and experience within the company and make it accessible whenever and wherever it is required. Intranet and extranet. These additional tools is for enhancing integration and accelerating the flow of information within the company, with customers, and with suppliers. E-business. It describes how the internet and digital technologies are used to carry out the main business procedures. E-commerce refers to the area of e-business that leads with the online purchase and sale of goods and services. E-government. The use of the internet and networking technology to digitally enable interactions between government and public sector organizations and the general public, private sector, and other branches of the government. Operation and social business systems. What is collaboration? It is the process of working together to achieve specific aims. Collaboration focuses on job or mission completion, typically occurs within or between enterprises, as well as in other organizations. For example, you work with a Tokyo-based colleague who is an expert in a field you are unfamiliar with. You work closely with numerous coworkers to write a corporate blog. If you work for a law firm, you might work with accountants from an accounting business to help a client with tax issues. Importance of collaboration. Shifting definition of work or changing of nature of work. The expansion of professional work or growth of professional work. The organization of the company changing. Or we can say changing organization of the firm. Shift in the firm's focus. Innovation is emphasized. Or changing the scope of the firm. A shift in the workplace and corporate culture. Social business. It is the use of social networking sites like Facebook, Twitter, and internal corporate social tools to engage employees, clients, and suppliers. Social businesses. In social businesses, conversations is a crucial concept. It requires information transparency so that people must communicate their ideas and knowledge to one another openly without the interference of managers and other parties. Application of social business. In the table, it describes the social business application, such as social network, outsourcing, shared workspaces, blogs and wikis, social commerce, filing or file sharing, social marketing, and communities. Creating collaborative business practices and a culture. Command and control organizations. Command and control organizations where the top leaders come up with the most significant ideas and then give orders to lower level staff to carry them out. The lower level staff were expected to follow instructions without inquiry, without being held accountable for streamlining procedures and without receiving any recognition for their efforts. Collaborative business culture where senior managers are accountable for results. Policies, products, designs, procedures, and systems are invented, produced, and construct for teams. Manager's duty is to build teams. Successful collaboration requires an appropriate organizational structure and culture along with appropriate collaboration technologies. These are the requirements for collaboration. The firm should have or should capable of collaboration or for collaboration. Under the collaboration capability, the firm should open in any culture. It can decentralized structure of collaboration. Collaboration is also used in technology for implementation and operations. It's also used for strategic planning. That ends my presentation. Thank you.